So you wouldn't even know it. They covered it in insulation. I'm getting ready to hang some pegboards on the wall. So in order to make sure we're not drilling into anything important like a water line or electrical line or a gas line, I'm using the Walabot DIY 2 in order to look behind the walls and actually tell me what's there. It says the center of the stud is right about there. All right, so that's one. Now about 16 inches away, there should be another one, right? That would be how this typically works, but we've got, is that a stud? We've got another stud right here. Or at least it's saying there's another stud. That's about 4 inches away. 5-6 inches away. So, interesting. All right, let's go ahead and mark this. Let's see what else we find here. Ooh. All right, so this is indicating that we've got a pipe or a wire right here. The best way to follow where it is to orient the phone or the Walabot in the direction that this is going. So if the pipe were going, or this wire, were going this way, we would want to turn the Walabot in the other direction. But let's see what this is, or if we can't track where this is going. Let's see how accurate this is. Yet. All right. Whoa. It's been insulated. Wow. Why don't we just shave some of this spray foam off right now and see what this is? Right there. So it's a wire, but it's not on. Huh. So that is my hands-on look at the Walabot DIY 2. I now know exactly where and where I can't hang my pegboard and finish my project. But for a compact wall scanner, I mean, it handled the two things that I really care about the most: reliably finding wall studs. I mean, just look at all these. Aren't they just supposed to be every 16 inches? But clearly not. And two, detecting anything in the wall that shouldn't be touched. It picked up every stud that I tested, and even more importantly, it caught the dead insulated wire buried in my wall. That alone makes it worth having in your toolkit, because this is something you do not want to discover with the drill bit. But now let's go ahead and put these pieces of drywall back and hang the pegboard.